In this video I'll show you how you can make a double half hitch knot. That's a one half hitch, but then you make another half hitch to make two. The half hitch is a great knot to know, but you need to make a double half hitch if you want it to be more secure, to be more safe. So you put the rope around the object you want to tie to. In this case it's a thicker rope, but it's better if it's a pole or a fixed object like a tree. You make one half hitch knot. That's the half hitch right there. And then you bring the rope around the standing end, the long line, and make another half hitch. So now I have two half hitches here, and actually the working end, this short part of the rope, is not very long. It should be longer here. It should leave at least 15 to 20 centimeters length, just in case. But this is the double half hitch. It's much more secure than a single half hitch, and it's just as easy to tie. So you take the working end, put it around the object you want to tie it to, and make literally one overhand knot. But the key here is that the working end comes out from under the object you're tying it to, then make another overhand knot on top of it, and then you have the double half hitch here. Maybe it's a bit difficult to do at first, but you can have a piece of rope, maybe even a few pieces of rope, different thicknesses, and you can try and tie this knot or other knots just to learn how to make some useful knots. This knot is really useful in camping and on the marine, the boats and fishing. Really, it's kind of a universal knot to have to know around the home, and it's more secure than the half hitch. This is the big deal about it. You can tie it with thin ropes, thicker ropes, even fishing line, or really any string that you might need to do this on, to tie it on a tree to make sure it stays there. And this I show you with the thinner rope, thinner line, polyester line, and it's a half hitch when it looks like this, and then another half hitch on top of itself. Pull it tight and it's good to go. Yeah, you can even use the really thick rope for this. It works just as well. Let me know in the comment section below what knots you enjoy making. What are your most useful knots that you use most of the time, the ones you rely on for everything? I mean almost everything. And what knots you would like to know more about. Also, if you use knots in camping or fishing or boats, or how you use the knots, or if you just use them around the home or in the car. It's really useful to know some knots when you have something to tie on the car, and I will make a future video with one of the most useful hitch knots, the tracker hitch. That's one of the most useful knots. And yeah, to untie the double half hitch, it's really pretty easy. They don't get very tight together. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one are your favorite knots. Watch the next one.